Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 AMG. This one's a brilliant blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has 21-inch AMG split 10-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the side, saddle brown black leather interior with a natural grain walnut wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, AMG GLC 43 badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, AMG illuminated door sill, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, AMG performance steering wheel and Napa, paddle shifters for extra performance, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, navigation, surround view backup camera with sensors, parking assistance package with active parking assist, hands-free access, multimedia package with augmented video for navigation, live traffic, and speed limit assist, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, wireless charging ports, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our exhaust button. This GLC 43 has 51,189 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 AMG, visit us at feldmannimports.com.